The CDC has issued an Ebola checklist saying now is the time to prepare for what could be a possible Ebola outbreak in the United States. Don't get alarmed, don't get alarmed, don't get alarmed. The CDC's job is to prevent, these type of diseases. So they're warning hospitals and doctors that now is the time to prepare. They've issued a 6-page checklist to help healthcare workers quickly determine if a patient is infected. While the CDC does not believe that there's new cases of Ebola in the United States, the assumption in the checklist is that it's only a matter of time before the virus comes back here at home. For example, one part, encourages healthcare personnel to use the buddy system when caring for patients. Another recommendation says, if you suspect and confirm that there is Ebola, the patient needs to be identified, reported to the public health authorities, isolated and quarantined, to stop the spread. And, they need to have supply, they need to know what their supply and the logistic challenges are, and they need to make sure they figure it all out, just in case Ebola comes our way. And this is what the CDC says. Every hospital should ensure that they can detect a patient with Ebola, protect healthcare workers so that they can safely care for the patient and respond in a coordinated fashion. They go on to say, I'm going to read right from them so you don't lose your mind, reading it right from the CDC. While we are not aware of any domestic Ebola virus disease cases other than the 2 American citizens who were medically evacuated to the United States. Now is the time to prepare, as it is possible that individuals with Ebola virus disease, EVD, in West Africa may travel to the United States, exhibit signs and symptoms of EVD, and be present at facilities anywhere in the country. So that means you got to make sure you have your mask, your little hazmat suits, all that stuff. Hospitals need to be prepared. And that's a good thing. The CDC is telling hospitals, if this crap goes down, you need to be prepared. Listen, proper prevention prevents piss poor performance. And piss poor performance here could be millions of U.S. deaths and the spread of Ebola right here in the good U.S. of A. We don't want that to happen, but it's just a matter of time.